Hello everyone, it's Mindy. Welcome, 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 one and all. I got a package from FGNORMAL and I felt this box inside and I thought, this is a really weird shaped box. What would I have gotten in a box like that? Well, you'll find out in a minute. Let's show you what I got from FGNORMAL. I got some good stuff here. Let me show it to you. All right, so you know, Easter's come in. I had to do the Easter thing. I mean, it's not technically an Easter bunny, but it's a cute, cute little bunny, right? 30 by 30 special drills. Look at all these special drills around the flowers. I think we got something special here. See the bees in here? I think there's going to be something special. More special drills there. I think it's going to be adorable. There are 7, 8, 9, 10, 11 different drills for that. Let's look at them. There's your toolkit. All right. Let's get into these drills and see what we have. I thought it was adorable. I mean, it doesn't look quite like my blue. It's a little lighter than blue, but you know, I can pretend, right? I can pretend. Okay, let's see what we got here. So we got some very pale pink rhinestones, some clear, a darker pink, a lime green, a blue, a purple. We got all those flowers. Oh, that's all the rhinestones. Okay. Now we have some gold balls, some larger ones, some small ones. Then we have some little blue marquees, some clear marquees, and some little pink clear marquees. What goes on the B? Oh, it must be like the gold balls then. Yep, it's just the gold balls go there. I was thinking maybe we're going to get some flowers or something, but nope. Gold balls go in there. Okay, it's super cute though. I just want to pet it. Doesn't it look like you should just be able to pet it? It's so cute. All right. This item here, for some reason I thought was going to be a lot bigger, but it's not. Here it is though. It is a 30 by 40 and it's these fountains and there were, I think, 3 of them. And I really thought they were going to be like a large special drill painting, but they're 30 by 40. Anyhow, so we got the fountain, we got a couple birds. They look like bluebirds to me. Got a blue back and a red belly. I've seen 2 bluebirds already this year flying around. 2. It's crazy. And then look at all these special drills for the flowers. Special, all of that. It's super pretty. It has 8 different drills. Like I said, there were about 3 different varieties of that. And I just kind of picked the one that I liked the colors the best, I guess. So, of course, I will link all these items below. And you can check them out for yourself. So, let's see what we get here. A lot of specials, truly. All right, so we got a lot of green. So, here's our green rhinestone. Our clear, that's not really clear, though. It's a very, very light lavender, I think. It's hard to tell. Could be clear. It could just be picking up the color of the packaging. No, because that's the clear. This has some color to it. I think it's a very light lavender. All right, we got a blue and a yellow. Here's all the specials. Purple, yay. Purple petals for all those flowers up there. Love it. And we have some gold balls. Then we have some, 2 bags of the pink. And then a bag of the blue. These are all teardrops. They're all faceted. And they're going to be our petals. I love it. Okay, that's going to be really pretty, right? Really, really pretty. Okay, so there's those 2 items. Now let's get into the box. I know what's in the box. I had to open the box the second I got it because I was like, what's in the box? You'll be surprised. And I'm happy because there's our toolkit. And look. It has a chain. That means it hangs. Here's our drills, special drills. And here's our item that came in a box, right? Okay, someone has gotten smart and they are putting these little hanging things in a box because how many have I gotten that were broken? A lot. Well, 3, 4. I don't remember now. I gave them away to somebody. Anyhow, and just in time, it is March. It's already past St. Patrick's Day, but I am still going to do this one up really quick. I'm going to take an evening away from Chuck. Oh, I know. Did I just say that? I'm going to take an evening away from Chuck, and I'm going to do my March gnome hanging because I'm going to have them all done. February's looking kind of funny hanging out there in the living room still. We're ready for March. And I believe I have April. I don't know if I've completed April, but I know I have it. Okay, let's see what we get. What all do we get in here? Oh, well, let's start out with some little itty bitty clear marquees. Love those. Then we got some purple rhinestones, blue. Well, these are all mixed up. That's a lime green smooth. That is pretty cool. Then we have some teardrops in blue and that lime green. And then look, we have, oh, I went backwards. That's why I did it. Although I had rhinestones in here. What is this thing? We got a glob in there. I don't know what that is. Anyhow, the flowers. Love the flowers. Now we have all rhinestones, I think. Red, kind of a pinkish red. Orange in 3 different tones. A green, some black, another green, and a clear. All right. I'm happy. I hope that they're all coming in boxes now, honestly. I think they should all come in boxes so they don't break. They're a small item and they're really easy to break. So I'm happy to see that. Then we have our pretty fountain, and then I can just picture the little bunny hanging out underneath the fountain, right? Cute. I'll link all of these below and you can go check them out for yourself. And I would like to say thank you to everybody who's here that's watching. If you're new here, I hope you stick around and watch more videos. And to everybody who is returning, thank you, thank you, thank you. And thanks for watching, everybody. Hit that like button, subscribe, and all those fun things. And I will see you in the next video. Bye, everybody.